VMware Workstation Bridged Network Host UnReachable. VMware Workstation 7 on Win7 Home Premium. I have confirmed this on any guest running on this machine, from Winx to Debian. I am using a bridged network connection for my guests, automatic on VNet 0. All of the network configuration is done with DHCP, including on the host. Problem: what I cannot do. Ping my host machine from inside any VM. Either shows me destination host UnReachable or will just time out. What I can do right after power, with no problems at all. I can connect to the internet from inside the VM. I can ping my router from inside the VM. I can ping other machines on my network from inside the VM. Other machines can ping the VM. Other machines can ping the host. My host machine can ping the VM. This one is important. Read further. Details. So I have my router assigned as 192.168.2.1 and 55.200 and 55.200 and 55.0, and the router provides the DHCP service, and it seems to be doing so successfully. There are no IP conflicts on the network that I am aware of. All gateways and subnet masks are appropriate and matching. My entire workshop is on one single subnet, with one single DHCP server and gateway. There is one method in which I can ping successfully, but it requires an active connection initiated from the host. I start pinging from host to VM. During the period of the active connection, I can successfully ping from VM to host, using explicit IP address. As soon as the host connection is closed, the VM ping starts hanging with the same old messages. My thoughts. This really feels like a firewall problem, but I have turned off all firewalls on host and VM, powered down the network, powered back up, and the problem still persists. And if it was firewall, why would only the IP address associated with bridged VM networks be blocked? I feel as though my host operating system, Win7, is somehow configured incorrectly, or VMware Workstation is configured incorrectly from the host side. Although I have done my best to put everything in default, I feel like I am missing something silly.
I had same problem, couldn't ping to and LT and GT from host and guest. Other networking was fine. I unchecked the DNI lightweight filter I had installed and it fixed the problem. Thanks to WalkerNeo's comment. My DNI filter came from Citrix. Network and Sharing Center. Select your adapter that has internet. Click Properties button from the connection status window. Uncheck DNI lightweight filter in the adapter's properties. Click OK and wait for your adapter to reset itself.
You need to enable the VMware Bridge protocol on the host. Go to Network and Sharing Center. On the right side there will be a list of connections, access type, connections. Select the VMware Network adapter. Open Properties, check the VMware Bridge Protocol box and exit the screen.
For me it was because of Checkpoint Endpoint VPN client. Once uninstalled, it worked like a charm. Even though I checked the adapter properties and disabled all options other than the bridge for VMware, it still didn't work, hence the reason why I uninstalled Checkpoint VPN client. Hope this could also help.
I have similar issue and managed to solve it. I have both VirtualBox and VMware Workstation installed. VMware's Net0 tries to use my physical adapter, but VirtualBox Bridge Network Adapter, instead of VMware Bridge Protocol. I solved it by doing the following. 1. Disable VirtualBox Bridge Network Adapter. 2. Restore defaults for VMware's Virtual Network Editor. 3. Reselect Net0's Bridge 2 to my physical adapter. But this time without VirtualBox Bridge Adapter conflict, it will use the VMware Bridge Protocol.
If you run source support to the panel, please consider saving.